Today, we've got an exciting durability test for the new Galaxy Z Flip 6, and believe me, this one is full of surprises. Zack Nelson from Jerry Rigged Everything put the Z Flip 6 through his famous durability tests, and we're here to break down what he found. So let's dive into it. Zack Nelson, known for his intense durability tests, starts off by sharing his initial thoughts on clamshell foldable phones. He mentions that he's not a big fan of these devices, including the Galaxy Z Flip 5, which he tried using as his daily driver last year. He found it cumbersome to take the phone out of his pocket and open it with two hands. Eventually, he switched back to the Galaxy S24 Ultra for convenience. Interestingly, he didn't mention if he utilized the 3.4-inch external cover screen for quick tasks, which could have changed his experience. Now, onto the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Zack highlights a major improvement over its predecessor, the reduction of the infamous crease on the internal display. Many foldable phones suffer from this issue, but Samsung seems to have made strides in minimizing it. This makes the viewing experience much more pleasant and the phone's appearance sleeker. The main display of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is protected by a PT plastic screen protector. According to the Mohs hardness scale, this screen protector starts to show scratches at level 2, with deeper grooves appearing at level 3. While this might sound concerning, it's important to note that this internal display is usually closed when the phone is in your pocket, so the risk of damage is lower. The external 3.4-inch display, however, is where durability is crucial. Covered with Gorilla Glass Victus 2, this screen starts to scratch at level 6 and shows deeper grooves at level 7. This added protection is a significant upgrade, ensuring the external display remains in good condition with everyday use. Zack also tested the durability of the phone's exterior, specifically the enhanced armor aluminum on the side panels. Using his utility knife, he found that this material scratches quite easily, as does the bottom of the phone and the area around the Samsung logo. The phone features a 12-megapixel wide-angle camera and a 50-megapixel main camera, both protected by glass. The new SDF screen technology seems to have improved the phone's durability, with the internal screen showing the same level of scratch resistance as the Z Flip 5, scratching at level 2 with deeper grooves at level 3. This keeps them safe from scratches and potential damage. Flip 6 flexes backward without breaking, showing a significant improvement in structural integrity. This feature helps protect the phone from snapping in two, and the hinge remains strong and responsive afterward. For those curious about the internal structure, Zack removed the plastic protective screen, revealing the internal components like the motherboard, vapor chamber, and the complex hinge system. Interestingly, the internal vapor chamber helps keep the phone cool during heavy use, but removing the protective layer caused the display to stop working. So, resist the temptation to peel off that protective layer. In conclusion, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 appears to be a well-built and durable foldable device. Unless you're planning to handle your phone as roughly as Zack Nelson does in his tests, you should find it robust enough for everyday use. The significant reduction in the crease, improved screen protection, and solid hinge durability make the Z Flip 6 a compelling choice for those interested in foldable phones. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy Z Flip 6's durability? Let me know in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews and tests. As always, see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossian also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.